and next level for this policy insurance book, and I hope you are all doing great. So what we were discussing yesterday was about the exclusions that are in the homeowners policy insurance, and today we are gonna cover levels of coverage, the policy that covers the damages that will be compensated by the company or organizations. So before starting, I hope you have liked the previous videos and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get new videos in time. So let's start this video. And what are we gonna discuss today is the levels of coverage. There are three coverage options. Okay, there are three coverage options. That the first one is the actual cash value. This type of coverage pays to replace the home or possession minus a deduction for depreciation. Okay, next one is the replacement cost. This type of coverage pays the cost of rebuilding or repairing the home or replacing possessions without a deduction for depreciation, as you can see. Next one is the guaranteed or extended replacement cost. An extended replacement cost policy pays a certain percentage, generally 20 to 25% over the coverage limit, to rebuild the home in the event that materials and labor costs are pushed up by a widespread disasters. For example, if the homeowners take out policy of about $1,000, it is $1 lakh, or we can say $1 million. No, it's $1 million. Sorry. They can get up to extra coverage for this. Some companies offer a guaranteed replacement cost policy, which pays whatever it costs to rebuild the home as it was before the fire or other disasters, even if it is exceeded the policy limit. So you can see the company will pay you extra coverage if you have this insurance policy. And next you can see this policy will give you protection against sudden increases in construction cost due to shortage of building material after widespread disaster or other unexpected situations. So it is a good thing that you'll all the extra cost that will you get while building your home or any other building. So any extra cost will be paid by the policy company, and it generally does not cover the cost of upgrading the house to comply with the current building codes. Okay, however, an endorsement, what is an endorsement or an addition to the policy called ordinance or law, can help pay for these additional costs. Okay. Next is the guaranteed or extended replacement cost policies are more expensive. These are expensive policies, you can see, but can offer excellent financial protection against disasters. Okay, this type of coverage, however, may not be available in all states or from all companies. So that was all for today. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you are getting enough information before choosing any policy for your life or your home or your automobile. That's information given in this book, and it is a good information. So let's end this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.